Step-by-step guide, how to apply for a UK Startup Innovator Visa. If you want to set up and run an innovative business in the UK, you may be eligible for a Startup Innovator Visa. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for this type of visa. Before we move further, if you like the content we share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before you apply, ensure that you meet eligibility requirements for Startup Innovator Visa. These include having an innovative and viable business idea that has been endorsed by an approved endorsing body and being able to speak, read, write and understand English. Step 2. Apply online. Once you are sure that you are eligible, you must apply online. The process may differ depending on your circumstances, including whether you are outside the UK and coming to the UK, inside the UK and extending your current visa, or inside the UK and switching from a different visa. Step 3. Prove your identity and provide documents. As part of your application, you will need to prove your identity and provide necessary documents. You may need to allow extra time if you need an appointment to do this. Step 4. Pay the fees. The cost of your Startup Innovator Visa will depend on your situation and where you apply from. You will also have to pay a healthcare surcharge as part of your application. Check how much you will have to pay before you apply. Step 5. Wait for a decision. Once you have applied, provided your documents, and proved your identity, you will usually receive a decision on your visa within 3 weeks if you are outside the UK, and 8 weeks if you are inside the UK. Step 6. Follow the rules of the visa. If your application is successful, you will receive a full list of what you can and cannot do with an innovator visa. You can set up one or several businesses, work for your business, bring your partner and children with you as your dependents, and apply to settle permanently in the UK. However, you cannot do any work outside your business, work as a professional sportsperson, or apply for most benefits or the state pension. Remember, if your endorsement is withdrawn by the endorsing body, your visa may be cut short, and you will need to reapply with a new endorsement before your current visa expires. How we can help. If during your Startup Innovator Visa journey you need any accounting, tax or business advice, you can speak to the experts at Clearhouse Accountants for help to improve your chances of success. If you are looking for professional guidance, give us a call today. Sit back and relax while we do all the complicated work for you.